We made a beeline straight out from the harbor. A honeybee performs a waggle dance to give the other bees direction to the nectar it's found. That's a beeline. Kim's waggle dance, on the other hand, points the way to the dolphins. We've stumbled into the middle of a social circle of several pods of dolphins. Sometimes we give chase, other times they do. It is a look into the window of another world. Some might call it a peep show. I've heard it said that the most interesting time to see wildlife is when animals are either feeding, fighting, or frolicking. Welcome to Dolphin Sex Education. Dolphin sex is a vibrant part of their social existence. They spend a good portion of their day expressing and exploring their sexual drive within their pods. Males and females are quite similar in size and strength, so one-on-one, the act of wooing might not always go according to plan. On the right side of the screen, we see a pursuing suitor who appears to be full of confidence. You miss every shot you don't take, he thinks to himself. The trouble with overconfidence and persistence is that it can result in a swift kick to the midsection. Better luck next time, pal. This upside-down dolphin silliness is going on all over the oceans. Humans don't know about it, don't think about it, but oh Lord, we should. This blue planet of ours is a sexy place, and we need to make more room for animals to freely get funky with each other. So, are you ready to see some sex? Children, avert your eyes. Just kidding. There's nothing graphic to see. I checked. Dolphin intercourse is strictly belly to belly. The male swims upside down beneath the female and presses up toward the surface for support. The act doesn't last long, only about 10 seconds. Studies suggest dolphins spend a good part of their day, like 30% of it, engaging their sex drive. That seems high to me. It does until I take a moment and think back to when I was an easily distractible teenager. Oh, to have been a carefree dolphin back then. On our adventure, Kim and I encounter several different pods, each seemingly doing their own thing, a tightly knit family. And then sometimes they would merge together, forming a graceful community, swimming in step with one another, purposeful, powerful, and beautiful. So, what's the takeaway? What's the point of watching dolphins gone wild on YouTube? Is it enough just to be mildly entertained? Maybe the point is to stop what you're doing and consider the dolphin. Swim a while with her. Hear that? She's whistling to get your attention. Jump in the water, she whistles. I promise you, it'll be a kick.